Another successful conversion, not only to use the DeWalt batteries, but to have the more effective, like the OG. Actually, this is tighter fitting, being I guess being brand new probably. Um, Having the new or the better, I should say, version model HEPA filter, totally worth the upgrade. And high low, definitely functionality is great. If you want to modify for a Bauer battery, you got YouTube videos showing how to do that, where you just basically cut a notch there and might have to shave a little plastic off. Material like down here. So notch, shave off a little, cut off a little plastic material, and the Bauer battery will fit. So, all right, awesome. Oh, this is a different version. You got the switch up top to go between high and low. So, all right.